So this is a Putrina fungus, Putrina albus fungus, has been obtained from tomato, and this has been put in a culture for about 15 days in sodium acetate differential agar. The fungus has produced a profuse green color to dark green color, as you can see, and it is a very aggressive fungus. We will now going to see this fungus under the TCM 400 inverted microscope to see how the fungus has developed. So let us begin with this fungus to see in the petri. I will take some fungus, the specimen in the test tube, in the petri dish, to get the morphology of the fungus under TCM 400 microscope. So this is around for 3 ml fungus precipitation to see how the fungus is growing in the microscope. First we will see that. Then we will later on extract the fungus. This is the fungus, you can see it is in the petri dish. Now we will be going to see it under TCM 400 microscope. So here is the microscope, and we will be switching on the microscope and we will be putting it under the TCM 400 microscope. So this is the camera, and we can see the configuration in the microscope.
No.
Ready?
Ready. So here this you can see in the microscope, and we can see the fungus in the inside the camera. To the camera we can see it in the computer screen. So if you go to the camera screen, if you switch on the camera, and here the fungus is coming. You can see the fungus, profuse fungus in the video. As you can see the fungus, the elevations of the fungus, you can see it is deeply focused. Now you can see the fungus. And stop photo. So now we will see the fungus lysis process. Now we can grow the fungus in a lysis medium. Here is the lysis medium, which we can see is the trypsin solution, trypsin protein solution, and we will be using this solution for fungus lysis. Rather, the fungus lysis process is the separation of the fungus from the culture media, and we will be reproducing that fungus in a separate media. So we will see this lysis process by the help of this trypsin solution. So let us take some fungus medium in a 2 ml centrifuge tube, and we will be putting this lysis medium by the help of this autopipette, and we will be putting this fungus in this lysis medium. Let us take some 1 ml fungus media in the centrifuge tube. And now we will put some lysis medium or the trypsin medium in the centrifuge tube. Okay, now let's mix this solution very well, and we can put it in the centrifuge for extraction of this fungus. Okay, now we will be putting to this tube to the centrifuge. So let us put this in the centrifuge, and another this is a blank, and the centrifuge is set to around 11,000 RPM. We can see the RPM setting over here. It is 11,000 RPM, and the mode, we can see the timing up to 3 minutes. We'll put this into the 3 minutes, and now let's start the centrifuge. The centrifuge is starting and the centrifuge is working, so we can see the fungus is getting more and more separated by this lysine medium. So as you can see, now we will be opening the test tube, the centrifuge tube, and the culture media will be removed. The supernatant from this tube is getting removed. So slowly the supernatant is taken out and is being getting removed. So it is removed. Now the test tube is full, the centrifuge tube is full with the lysis. Centrifuge, culture media, as you can see, it is the lysis fungus ready for next culture media transfer. So now our next culture media is Clostridium Medium. As you can see, we will be now introducing this culture media, the fresh fungus, to the Clostridium Medium. So let us start this process. And the Clostridium Medium, we will be entering the Clostridium Medium, and about 1 ml of the Clostridium Medium will be introduced in the fungus. So the Clostridium Medium is getting mixed with the fungus. Mixed, so the culture media has been changed. So this completes the process of lysation and the change and the visualization of the fungus in the culture from the culture media.